Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing so nothing interrupts the build. First, gather plenty of glass and any stained variants you want to connect. Next, enable or install a connected texture resource pack compatible with Minecraft PE and open the World folder. Make sure the pack is active in the game settings. Once done, back up your world to prevent accidental loss. You need Silk Touch only for retrieval. Placeable glass is fine. Make sure resource pack priorities are correct so connected textures can load. Now you build the actual glass surface with connection in mind. You place blocks edge to edge. Connected textures detect neighboring glass and merge seams, so align colors and shapes for consistency. If you want window frames, leave gaps and place glass in continuous runs. Once a sample row looks correct, expand upward and sideways, testing how corners and T-junctions render. Make sure to reload the resource pack if textures don't appear instantly. If seams still show, check block types and variants for mismatches. Finish by inspecting the whole structure and correcting any breaks in the pattern. You should swap any mismatched glass so blocks share the same ID and texture set. This fixes most disconnected seams. If changes don't display, reload the resource pack, restart Minecraft PE, or clear temporary files. Those steps refresh texture recognition. As a final tip, if something still goes wrong, revert to your backup and reapply the pack, testing a small area first to isolate the problem before rebuilding large sections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.